record on this. Yeah, before starting the session, any questions?
Yeah, till now you have told inner query, right, join, and cross join. So
Yeah.
can you just tell the topic self join?
What? Oh, sorry, is Shivanshu, can you repeat here once again? What you want
Actually,
to repeat?
I wanted to know the concept of self join. Can you
Self
tell?
join. Self
Because you
join.
have,
Okay. Okay.
yeah,
Okay.
because till now you have shown inner, right, outer, and the
Mhm.
cross, but self you have not told.
Self, I have not taught you. Yeah. Okay. Okay. 1 minute. First of all, tell me the last assignment which I have shared with you guys. That was for which
You have
date?
not shared.
Oh, last assignment I have not shared.
No,
Oh,
only hands-on you have shared
you
for the
guys have
6th level.
reminded me, no? Okay. 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 I missed the last one. 8th. Okay. 28 January. After that, I have not shared.
20,
Okay.
20 last assignment was 23.
23rd January.
Yes.
23rd January was the last assignment. 28th
After
January
that, you have
assignment
not
like
shared
this.
any assignment.
28th January. This assignment I have not shared with you guys. This one.
No.
Oh, I have prepared this, but maybe I forgot to share. Okay, and leave this. Okay, so Shivanshu has asked, wants to understand the concept of with join, self join. Correct, self join. Okay. Any other question apart from that?
Also, can you tell in the SQL how many joins are there? Because many of our
Many
like
joins are
using
there.
name
Sure.
natural join.
Okay. First of all, tell me this example. Have I shown you this example?
Yes.
This example I have shown you. Okay. And then inner join you have understood. Left join, right join.
Y-
Is
Yes.
that
Yes.
clear?
Yes.
That is
Yes.
clear. Okay. Anyone who has doubt in that inner join, left join, right join? No doubt? Okay. No doubt, then it is fine, good. 1 minute, guys. For self join, no, I have one data. So I'm trying to tell you, correct. This is the data. This will help me to solve the inner join concept. Okay. My voice is audible to everyone, right?
Yes.
Okay, so I'm trying to create a table. This is the table. Okay. The employee table, and here you have employee ID, employee name, and manager ID. Okay. Star from
What we want to find in this question?
1 minute. I'm coming to that, Shivanshu. So I'm showing you the structure first. So this is the structure of the table. Try to understand the data first of all. Okay. Employee ID 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Employee name is ABCDEF and manager ID 4565. Okay. So try to understand the data. So here, if you see the first record, I have mentioned that employee ID 1, employee name is A, manager ID is 4. So it means the manager ID of employee ID 1 is 4. Correct? Who is the manager of employee ID 1? Who is the manager? 4. And if I will ask you that, no, tell me the name of manager. So you have to look here that, okay, manager ID 4, because manager is again an employee, no? So manager ID 4 is name is D. So the manager of employee A is D. Is this clear? Not clear.
Yes. Clear.
Clear to everyone?
Yeah, clear.
Yes.
Today you guys are, I think, low on energy. Okay, so this is the data. Vaidyanathan has not joined, no? Vaidyanathan has not joined, okay. So this is the data of your employee table. If I ask you that who is the manager of employee A, tell me who is the manager of A?
D.
D. So how you have done? First of all, you went to this column manager ID and you have picked this value 4, correct? Then you have taken this value 4 and then you started searching in this employee ID. Where is 4? Where is 4? Where is 4? Okay, so here is 4. You have taken D. Then you told me that, okay, the manager of employee A is D. Correct? Is this the way you guys have followed?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, perfect. Now, who is the manager of employee B?
E.
E.
E. E, correct. For employee B, how you have went? Try to understand the logic, how you have went there. So I asked you that who is the manager of employee B. So what you have done? You went to this manager ID 5. Okay. So manager ID 5. So manager ID 5 is the manager of employee B. Okay, fine. Now what is the name of this manager ID 5? So you went to this employee ID column and you are searching for the manager ID 5. Okay, this is manager ID 5. And then you stopped here and you told me that, okay, Tanvir, E is the manager of employee B. Correct? Is this the way you have followed, guys?
Yes.
Yes, okay. Now, who is the manager of employee C? Huh?
F.
F.
F. Okay. F is the manager of employee C. Same way you have. Okay. So yeah, you guys understood the logic, right? Flow chart is clear.
Yeah.
Okay. So now I will try to make you understand the same thing in another way. What I will do, I will make a copy of the same table. You can say this is a copy and keep this name as employee table A. Okay. And this table as employee table. It's the same. This is a copy. Don't get confused, guys. This is a copy of this original table. Okay. This is employee A and this is employee B. Please, those who are not speaking, please go on mute. So now we have two tables, and why I have created this two table, I will tell you. This is just to ease the task. Now, coming to this question, employee name and asking manager name. Okay, fine. Employee name and manager. This is what I'm looking for. I want this data. Okay, this is expectation. Coming to this employee name A. Okay. What you have done, I am asking that, okay, tell me who is the manager name. So what you have done, you have taken this manager ID 4, you have copied this manager ID 4, correct? And then you went to this, then you went here in this employee B table, correct? No? And you have pasted this manager ID 4 here. And you're searching in this employee ID column, manager ID 4. Then you are searching first record, second record, third record, fourth record, you stop here, correct? And then you have taken the employee name D from here and you have copy pasted here. Correct? Is this the way you have followed, guys?
Right.
Right? Is this clear to everyone? First of all, flow chart algorithm is clear.
Yes,
Shivanshu,
clear.
is this clear? It's not clear to Shivanshu. Shivanshu, you want me to repeat this?
Yes, please repeat. I didn't understand.
Okay. Telling again, listen this. So I'm asking who is the manager. Okay, for each and every employee, you have to tell me who is the manager. Suppose for employee A. So first of all, what happened? I've taken a copy of this table. So same table. Okay, same table. I've created a copy of that. Control C, Control V. Nothing new I have done. Okay. So this employee name A, I've kept it here. Now the ask is to find a manager name. So for this employee name A, manager ID is 4. I have copied this manager ID 4. I've kept that in my buffer, local memory. And then I'm searching in this employee ID column. Where is 4? Where is 4? Where is 4? Oh, okay, here is 4. Then I've taken the employee name D. I copied from here and I put it here. That okay, D is the manager name of employee name A. Now, this is the logic. This is the algorithm flow chart. We will translate this flow chart in queries now. Okay. Forget about sales Joan Shivanshu for timing. Try to understand this scenario. Yeah.
But cannot we take from a single table only? Why we are like if we want to search the manager of A, so we can find from table A only.
I will tell you. I will
Why?
tell you. I will tell you that. I will tell you that. I will tell you that. Is this scenario clear?
Yes, clear.
Clear. Okay. Now I have to write a query for that. What I will do? Select from this employee A table. What I am looking for employee name. So I will write A dot employee name. Is this clear, guys?
Yeah.
Okay. And from this employee B table, again, I'm looking for employee name, correct now? B dot employee name. But that is the different thing that we have taken alias and we have marked this as a manager name. So we will take an alias here as manager name. Okay. So far clear, guys?
Yes.
Okay, now. I'm going to the next line. Shift enter. No, it's not. Control
Control
enter.
enter.
Alt. Control
Control
enter. Also,
enter.
I have tried that. It's not going. I think Alt enter. Alt enter. Okay. So from which table? Employee A. Correct. Employee A. We will join employee B. Correct. Is this clear? Why I have taken this employee A and employee B? Because from employee A table you are getting employee name, and from employee B table also you're taking employee name, but you're keeping this name as manager name, alias. Any doubt on this? Any question? Shivanshu, is this clear so far?
Yes, clear.
Okay. Then what should be the on condition from this employee A table? What ID you are picking? You are taking this manager ID, no? You are taking this manager ID. First of all, let me do one thing. Where is this? Where is that? This one here. You are taking this manager ID and you are searching in this. This is what you are doing, correct? Hello, I'm audible.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, audible. Yes, correct.
Audible.
So you are taking manager ID from employee A table and same ID then you are searching in the employee B table, that's employee ID column. Is this what you are doing, guys?
Yes.
Okay, so I will write A dot manager ID is equal to B dot employee ID. Is this clear?
Correct.
Correct. Any question on this, Shivanshu?
Why we have not taken A dot EMP ID equal to B dot EMP ID?
Okay. Why I'm not taken? Because here I have to find the manager name of employee A. Correct. Suppose Shivanshu, if I'm asking you that, Shivanshu, tell me who is the manager of employee A, what you will tell?
A manager of A is D.
You have taken this 4 from here, manager ID from here,
Yes,
right?
yes, from here.
And
Yes,
then you
from
are searching this to this employee ID column of this next employee
yes,
table.
yes,
That
yes,
is why
yes,
you
yes.
have taken manager ID from employee A.
Okay.
So I've done the same thing. Now I've taken manager
Okay,
ID from
okay.
A. And then I'm comparing that with the employee ID of table B. Correct? Same thing I'm doing here. And when is this clear?
Yes, clear.
Now, if I will run this query, let me run this query first of all. Then this will be more clear. Run this query. Table or view does not exist. Very good. Okay. Employee is the full name. Take an EMP. Okay. Did you got the output what you are expecting? A, D, B, D, C, F. Is it correct? Let me show you. Is this the correct output, guys? Can you please confirm me?
Yes.
Manager of A is D, and for B 5 is E. So B is correct. Okay. For C 6 is F, C F is correct. And for D 5 5 is E, D is correct. Okay, is this clear? Hello.
Yeah, clear. Clear.
Clear. Shivanshu, you understood this? Hello, Shivanshu.
Yes, yes.
Okay, now coming to the query. Now, Shivanshu, if you will see the query, what I have done, I have joined the same table twice. This employee table I have joined twice, no? Correct? This employee table I have
Yes.
joined twice. So that is
Twice.
when you are using the same table for joining condition, for to join, same table to join. Okay. So that is known as self-join because you're joining the same table. That is just a name. Okay. Otherwise, the logic, the concept, the syntax, everything is same as the join. Just
But
that.
but but cross join is also like joining same table, right? Cross join.
Cross join. No. In cross join, it is not mandatory that you are joining same table. Let me show you one example. Okay. Let me show you one example. Okay. Check this group one. Group one.
I got okay. I got a question. In the cross join, it is not mandatory that the both tables should be same, but in the
Uh,
self join, it is mandatory that the both tables should be same, right?
Self join means if someone is telling that I'm using self join, it means both the
Hmm.
tables they have used are the same tables they're joining.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Got a question. Okay. Okay.
Otherwise, you see, self join, inner join, they both are
Hmm.
exactly same. The only difference is in the self join, you're using the
Hmm.
same table. Otherwise, logic
Hmm.
wise, syntax, everything is
Okay.
same. Okay.
Okay. And what is natural join?
Natural join is like your inner join only. It is same as that.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. If
Okay.
you see at a very holistic view, all the joins, natural, cross,
Hmm.
inner,
Hmm.
self, they all are
Hmm.
exactly same. The only thing is, if you're
Okay.
not mentioning any condition, joining condition, that will become your
Hmm.
cross join. Okay.
Cross
If you're
join.
using
Hmm.
two tables with some conditions, that will be your inner
So
join.
in a
Okay.
join, right?
If you're using to join two same tables, so that will be your
Hmm.
self join.
Yeah, actually, like as I'm using the workbench, so
Hmm.
so in the workbench, the full join is not used. Like
Hmm.
it will give an exception. So instead of full join, how will I like solve the query? Like I will be using the left and right both in one query.
Full join in workbench, there is it's not accepting full join. That is
I
what you're
think
No,
telling.
yeah,
full outer join you have to,
You
right?
yes,
write
yes,
full
full
outer
out.
join then.
Yeah.
Yes, I've tried full outer join. Okay, I will try it today. Okay,
Yes.
yeah, tomorrow I will
It
tell you.
will accept.
Yeah, sure. Any other
Okay.
question, guys, on this join?
No.
Okay. Now here, suppose in this question, this one, the joining, this employee name and manager name, what we are discussing. Okay. Suppose if the question is, do one thing. Now, ABCD, employee ABCD information is here. ABCD information is there. But why I have not shown the manager name of employee and F? What is the reason? Why I have not shown that?
Manager ID is null.
Manager ID is null. Correct. Very good. Because here the manager ID is null. That is why there is no information about employee name E and F. Correct. Is this clear to everyone? Come on, guys. Is it clear?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
Clear. Okay. Now suppose your project manager is telling, or your delivery manager or director, whoever it is there, they are telling you that, okay, why Shivanshu, you have not shown me the manager name of employee name E and F. Okay, this is the question. Then you told that there was no manager ID mapped against this, and that is why this joining condition was failed. And I cannot show you this manager name. Okay, it's fine. But he's telling, okay, I'm not bothered if the manager name is there or not. Just show me the details of all the employee. Even if manager name is not there, that's not a problem. You keep it as a null or blank, but show me these details. So now your director is saying that show me the details of all the employee. I'm not bothered whether manager name is there or not. So what you will do now? Is my question clear?
Yes. Question is clear.
Question is clear. Okay, then tell me who will give the answer for this.
In on condition A dot
Hmm.
manager ID is null. After A dot manager ID equal to B dot EMP ID and A dot manager ID is null. Will work.
A dot manager ID is null. Oh, but
Yeah.
that will not work. No, why you want to add that A dot manager ID is null? Okay, I will do that, but that will not work. Because
Okay. Okay.
see, you
Hmm.
no, but you should understand this. See, you are telling that I will write this condition. Where A dot,
Not aware.
okay,
On end.
okay, and
Oh, end I think R A dot EMP ID. If it is end
or
only R A dot manager ID is null.
A dot manager ID is
Null.
null.
Work.
This one you are telling.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, let me know. Table review does not exist. Okay. What happened here?
Okay, dot manager ID is null.
You are getting some different output, and this is not the expected, right?
Unwanted,
See,
yes.
what you have to do here is you want the non-matching records from the first table, no? Correct?
Okay,
You
yes.
want E and F. This is non-matching. The manager ID is not matching here because this is null.
Okay.
So
Yeah.
which join you will use here?
Left join only, but you are
Left
trying.
join.
Yeah.
You have to write employee A,
Oh, it was
left
some.
left auto join. That's all. Employee B.
Correct,
Okay.
correct.
And when you will run this
Okay.
query,
It was so simple, sir. We
it's simple.
cannot able to think.
Yeah, that is what I
Yeah,
thought.
yeah.
I think you guys have not revised.
Yes.
Okay,
True that.
okay, I'm running this. See, table of view does not exist. Let me do this now. Now is it fine?
Yeah, fine, yes,
E
sir.
and F is present here now. Okay, perfect. Any other question, guys? Shall I proceed with the next topics? Shivanshu, is this clear?
Yes, yeah. We can do next topic.
Oh, perfect. But guys, see, I am again repeating. See, many questions are there. Okay, many questions are there. So whatever I am teaching, this is just 5 to 10%. Okay, so from this, if you think that now I am a champion of SQL, I know everything in SQL. So no, it is not like that. Please keep on practicing. Joins, many other things are there, many other questions, many concepts are there. Okay, you have to practice. Then only maybe after practicing, many new things you will learn on your own as well. Okay, it is difficult to teach everything, each and everything, but I am trying to tell you that I'm just showing you the roadmap that okay, this is the road. If you want to go from Delhi to Bangalore, this is the road. But how to ride that car, how to change the gear, what is the use of clutch and all those things, you should know that. And that will come when you will practice. Practice makes a man perfect. Okay.
Yeah, actually, can we actually from like 2 days from last week only I was solving 29 like 30 question of the SQL and I have some like
Mhm.
problem in solving that Bec- because in that question whenever I'm using left and right join or I'm using inner join, so they are giving me the same answer. So I don't know why they are giving me the same answer. So I will ask you tomorrow.
You ask me. Ask me. So if the left and right order join is giving you the same answer, that will happen only when there is exact matching condition in the two tables and there are no records left out. Then only that is possible. Okay. Suppose in this question, I'm just giving you a hint. You can try that. Okay. Suppose in this question, if we don't have this record, assume this record is not there. Okay.
Yes.
So if this record is not there, so now for this employee ID, you have exact match here. Correct? Nothing is left out. Correct? So in this
Yeah.
you use inner join, self join, left join, right outer join. They all will give the same output.
Yes, the question is like this only, but
Oh,
but when I have like did myself, so I have used inner join. Okay, now when I've like seen the solution, so they have used left and right join. So what I
you
thought
show
like
me.
why they have
You
used
show me
left and
that.
right join.
You show
No,
me that.
I
We
will
will
show you
discuss.
tomorrow. No, I will show you
Yeah,
tomorrow.
sure. Or else do one thing on WhatsApp. No, on WhatsApp or mail, you send me your query, what you have written, and what's the query you have found on the platform, online platform. Okay,
Yes,
I will tell you. With the data, with the create and insert a statement, everything. It will be easy for me. Then I can tell you
I,
what's the problem.
I will do.
Okay, fine. So, guys, have we discussed about this duplicate checks? I cannot remember this.
No,
No, we have not
I guess
discussed.
no.
No. Okay. No. Fine. If we have not discussed. Time to discuss now. First name, last name,
Can you also
data.
tell Dan saying who
Okay. No, dense rank I will not take. I will not touch much. Dense rank will come, Shivanshu. Don't worry. You see, this topics are pending. Okay. See, you can dense rank, collection, all those things are there. So I'm thinking that we are lagging a lot, but see, we have to complete it. Okay, fine. Before this, I think I have some table structure. You guys, I think this was the most interactive batch I have till now, and really, and this was the reason that this batch extended. I think this is the fifth week, no? Fifth week, I
Anyway,
think.
I just saw your like 7 a.m. Like batch. I saw
Oh,
the
okay.
videos of
Oh,
7
okay,
a.m.
okay. We
Actually, the
started.
in that batch, like they are like 8 year experience in ATL testing, but they don't know SQL. How it is possible?
Oh, okay, okay. Anshu, you are
No,
making.
yes. No, no. One person said that I'm doing ATL testing and I want to like brush up my skill in SQL. So my question is this: Can, can you do ATL testing if I know only basic of SQL? My question is this
Actually,
only.
actually, no. He was in that ETL field, but meanwhile he has discontinued. Okay, and he went to some other profession. So that's the reason. It happens many times. Once I have one student who was having a gap of 5 years. So like you live with this for 10 days, 20 days, you will forget many of the concepts. It happens actually. So that's what they want to brush up. So that's fine, no issues. Okay, now I will try to teach you some concepts regarding duplicate. This is very important. Okay, name is already used. Right, yeah, so new batch we have started, almost 1 week is over. Those who want to revise the concepts, basic concept, they can go through the recordings.
Okay, I might join like data types and all.
Data types I will cover here, yeah, don't worry. Those things are
Okay,
pending.
okay.
I told your batch. I'm taking more time here. Okay, fine. So here I have inserted 3 records. Okay, 3 records I have inserted. Now I have to insert some more records, and then this will cater to the requirement. What I'm looking for. Do one thing, delete all the records. Confuse you guys. First of all, let me keep the thing simple. And please try to understand this. The duplicate is like very common. Nowadays, everyone is talking about duplicate only. Duplicate check, how to do the duplicates and all these things. Sure. Okay. 1 AB. Okay. This is the data. I think we have discussed this duplicate earlier. I'm not sure it's in your batch or some other batch. So this is the data, guys. Okay, employee ID, first name and last name. Okay. Now forget about first name and last name as of now. Just concentrate on employee ID. If I will ask you that, do you have duplicates in this employee ID column?
Yeah,
Yeah, we have duplicates, right? So
we
now
have.
there is only 5 records. So usually you can see and you can tell me that, yeah, then we have duplicates. Okay. But again, same question. If you have millions of records, okay, so it is very difficult to analyze each and every record and then tell me the duplicates that they are not. And if I'm asking that, how many IDs are there which are duplicates? Okay, suppose here, what all IDs are duplicate?
1 and 2.
1 and 2, correct?
Yes.
But
Yeah.
in the millions record, and if I'm asking that, okay, tell me what all IDs are duplicate. So it will be very difficult. So for that, this SQL will help you. So for that, first of all, let me write a query. Select employee ID, comma, count of a star from employee table. Is this the correct syntax, guys? Shall I run this?
Group by.
Oh, okay. I have to use group by. Why?
Because you're using count of star in select class.
Correct.
Apart from that.
So I have to use group by here. Group by employee ID. Okay. So now you can see what it is giving. Employee ID 1 is coming twice. Employee ID 2 is coming twice. Employee ID 3 is coming 1. Okay. So it means this 1 and 2 is a duplicate. This is coming more than once. Is this clear?
Yeah, clear.
Clear?
Clear.
So
Yeah.
then if someone is asking that, no, I don't want this full information, just don't show me that how much count is star is, how much count is there, just show me the IDs which are duplicate. Okay, so for that what you can do, employee ID from employee table having count of a star
Equal to 1.
greater than 1,
Huh,
greater than 1.
Yes, yes.
Group by
You want duplicates, right? That's why greater than 1.
we want duplicates, so it means IDs which are coming more than once.
Once,
So that's I've
yes.
used greater than 1. Okay. And then you run this, so it will show you all the IDs which are coming more than once. It means duplicate means what, guys? More than 1. If something is happening more than 1, it will be
Yep.
considered as duplicate, right?
Correct.
So I'm
Right.
running this. So now employee ID 1 and 2. So this is duplicate. That's all. Okay. So from this you can find the duplicate records. This is the query. Is this clear, everyone?
Clear, sir.
Okay, Shivanshu, is it clear? Shivanshu, you there on call?
Yes, sir, I know. Yes.
This is clear, right?
Yes, clear.
Okay, now similarly, if someone is asking that, okay, tell me based on the name, employee name, okay, first name. So first name A is coming 5 times. So just you have to write that particular column. So here first name, and write here first name. That's all. And you can find the duplicates. I'm running this. A, correct? So this is duplicate because this is coming more than once. So can you find duplicates now? Is it fine now?
Yes.
Clear to everyone?
Select first name of having count.
Yeah.
Yes. By first name.
Okay. Now, if I will ask you that, no, duplicate, tell me duplicate based on this ID and column, ID and this first name. Okay, duplicates based on
ID and first name.
duplicates based on ID and first name. So let's start from the first one. 1A.
Employee ID.
1A. Okay, and then next record is again 1A. So is this a duplicate?
Yes,
Yeah,
duplicate.
So
Yeah,
we can tell
duplicate.
that,
Duplicate.
yes, this is duplicate. Yes, this is duplicate. Okay. Now, this 1A, again, this is coming. So we have covered. So ignore this now. Now 2A. 2A.
Yeah.
Is 2A duplicate?
Yeah, duplicate.
2A is duplicate because this is coming again, right? Then
Yes.
3A.
Not duplicate.
3A is not duplicate. So this will not come. So if whenever someone is asking you that, okay, tell me the duplicate records in this table. So you have to ask this question that, okay, you are asking duplicate based on which column or which combination of column, correct? In the first scenario, we have seen that duplicate we are trying to find based on the employee ID column. Okay. Second question based on the first name. Now we are trying to find duplicates based on employee ID and first name. Correct? Is this clear?
Yeah, clear.
So for that, first of all, write this query. First of all, try to understand from this query. Employee ID, comma, first name. Right? First underscore name. Let's write first name here as well. Okay, first of all, let me run this, then I will show you how to find duplicates here. Okay, 1A is coming twice, 2A is coming twice, 3A is coming one, right? So this is the query. Now from this, I don't want the full information. So just you have to write having contest star greater than 1. remove this counter start because you don't want this. Just write having same thing, same logic. You have to use having count of a star greater than 1. Okay, you got it as 1A and 2A. Is this clear?
Clear.
Hello, clear to
Yeah.
everyone?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, so by this, if someone is asking you that, okay, tell me duplicate. So what's the first question? Ask them that, okay, you want duplicate on which column? Okay, if you want to find on one column, just write that column, count a star, having count of a star greater than 1. If they're asking for combination of 2 columns, write those 2 columns having count a star greater than 1. Then you have to use group by that those columns. Okay, hope this is clear.
Clear.
This was simple.
Yeah.
So this is like how you can find duplicates on a table. Then drop table we have discussed. This is like inserting data from one table into another table. Let me show you this. This is again those who are working like in a real life project. So this will be useful many times.
We are
Hmm.
some like question. Should I
Uh-huh,
send you
tell me.
one table?
Sorry,
Should I send you one question on chat?
you have sent me on chat. Okay, but I'm not
I'm
receiving
sending you.
what. Sorry, I'm not getting. Shivanshu, telling.
I'm sending you.
You are sending me. Okay, fine. Send me.
Copy.
ID. Where can to 10. 1 minute, Shivanshu. Let me complete this. Then I will come to the question. So, guys, here what I'm trying to do. Suppose we have a table imply EMP. Okay, and ID and name are the 2 columns. Fine. I've created this table. Table created. Let me insert some data into this table. Insert into EMP values. So this is 1 comma A. Then you have second one 2 comma B, 3 comma C. Okay, these are the 3 records we have in this table. Let me show you this. Let us start from employee. This is the data. Okay, this is the data you can see. Now, suppose the requirement is that I have to create a table testing. I have to create a table testing, and that table should be an exact copy of this table employee. So how you can insert data? So just write create table testing. This first of all you have to create this table, and then after that insert into testing. This is the syntax. This is what I am trying to make you understand. That if you want to copy data from one table to another table, so here guys we have only 3 records, but if you have again like 1,000 records, 10,000 records, okay, so you cannot do insert every time. So this is a shortcut where you can copy data from one table to into another table.
Sir, one more syntax is also there, sir. I know that. Can you run it?
Sure.
Next
First, let me run this one. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
These are interesting. Select start from employee. 3 rows are inserted into testing. Now let me
Yes.
show you.
Okay.
Select
Start from testing.
start from testing. You will get this one. So now you can see. So this is the way you can copy data of one table to another table. First of all, is this clear? Imran, Akshay, everyone, is this clear?
Clear.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, Sandeep, you are telling something. Tell me.
Yeah. Create table testing.
Create
Yeah,
table
I'm
testing.
saying. Yeah, table testing. As select star from EMP.
Oh, okay.
Create table testing. Okay. As select star from EMP.
So testing I have already created. Let me create testing 1. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
table created. Fine.
Okay, can you see the data? Select star from testing one. Yeah.
Mhm. Yeah, this is also
Okay.
fine. So in a single go, data is structure is also correct and data is also loaded. Very good. Perfect. Shivanshu is asking something. Yeah, Shivanshu, what is this code, Shivanshu? So what this is all about,
Can you copy
Shivanshu?
can you copy the table here? Two tables I have
Hmm.
sent you.
You have sent only one table, order table. Order table. Next is customer table. Okay. Take care. Then, yeah, after this.
Yeah. So
Hmm.
so now my question is, like, while at the starting, while solving the question, I was joining both the table with the inner join, and
Okay.
on the on condition,
Hmm.
I was confused whether on the on condition, like, salesman ID would be in the on condition, or like order number and the customer ID will be in the on condition.
What is the question, first of all?
The question is, we have to find, we have to find the detail of the salesman, sorry, customer, while joining the question.
Detail of salesman customer. No,
I will
what?
yeah, I'll send you. I
Hmm.
will send you the question.
Okay, sure.
My question was, yes. Um, cust-
Okay, you send me. Meanwhile, let me check.
I send you.
Okay, so mod we have covered in the last class. Was that clear?
I think we reached to minus also.
Yeah, mod I have covered. Minus was also, yeah, we have done minus as well. That's correct.
Yeah.
Have I discussed this any and all?
No,
Oh.
I
Okay.
think no.
Minus was covered, right, everyone? You all are clear with that minus?
Yeah, minus is covered. Any is
Yes.
not
Minus is,
covered.
Yeah.
any
Any
and all is
From
pending.
any we have to start.
Okay, fine. I'll start with this any and all. Structure. Okay. So what is the questions? From the following table data SQL to find those orders where order amount exists between 500 and 2000. Return order number, purchase amount, customer seat name and city. Okay. Order amount exists between 500 and 2000. Okay. Order amount is between 500 and 2000. Is that?
Actually,
Hmm.
what actually I did this question, and I got the solution, but मेरे को आपसे ये पूछना है कि
Hmm.
सेल्समैन आईडी में हम ऑन कंडीशन क्यों नहीं लगा सकते? ऑन देखो, सेल्समैन
Salesman
आईडी देखो, आईडी में
सेल्समैन आईडी में क्या नहीं लगा सकते हैं? सॉरी,
ऑन कंडीशन, इनर जॉइन में ऑन कंडीशन.
then join me on condition. Yeah, Shivanshu, the on condition where you want is the two columns which you want to join. Okay, that totally depends on what data you are trying to fetch. Okay, that totally depends on the data what you're trying to fetch. The question which you have posted in that, it is like you are trying the order amount exists between 500 and 2000. Okay, so here order amount, where is that order amount column? Which is the order amount column here? Customer name.
Why we cannot join with the salesman ID,
Uh,
because in the board table,
hmm.
5001 is repeating.
Correct. It is repeating.
5001
This
is
is also correct. The joining
in both
condition
the
must be
table.
unique. That must
Okay,
be unique.
now, yeah, that was my question, that in one of the table, like, data should be unique now.
Correct. So whenever you are joining, on joining condition, that column must be unique. Otherwise, you will get duplicate records while joining.
Okay. My question is clear. मेरे को ये
Okay.
पूछना था कि हाँ यूनिक होना चाहिए ना, ठीक है.
Unique होना चाहिए. Correct. That should be unique.
Okay.
ठीक है, fine. So I'm starting with any and all. Okay. So try to understand this. Although I will not use this very frequently. This is used very rarely, but let me tell you what this is all about. Department table है ना? Department table में salary. Okay. First of all, let me create a table. Okay. Suppose I use there. 10. Salary is there. Okay. Guys, 1 minute. Okay, I have to create a data first of all. This is second. Make this as B. And this is 200. 300. C. This is 3. Okay. Let's take this stuff. Three concept inserted. One more table. I will not take this example, the query which I have written, because that same again that will confuse you guys. Person. Three, 4, 5. Okay. We C, D, E. Okay. 300, 400. And this is fine. Okay, so this is from the table is created and data is inserted. Now I'm writing a query. So, okay, I will not teach you this. Okay, I will just show you the output of this. And from that output, you guys have to tell me what is happening here. Okay. Salary is greater than salary from department, from person. Salary in 700. Person 100, 200, 300. Okay, so this is the query. I'm running this query. Okay, and then you guys have to tell me what is happening here. You have data structure, table data, everything is in front of you. Person 100, 200, 300.
So you're not inserted records, I think so. Department table and person table.
Person. Department record is not inserted. Let us start. Let me check this once. Oh, it is there, no?
Okay, person.
Person as well, I think it is there. Star. So. Is there, right? Select the staff and salary is greater than select distinct salary from person with salary in 100, 200, 300. So
300 will come.
The output 300.
300, yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
What is there? Greater than any. Oh, okay.
Department.
Got it. No. Why this is not coming? No, let me run this one. Yeah, fine. Yeah, this will show you the data. No data form. Interesting. Salary from person with salary and salary from person with salary and okay.
100 to 100 is not there in percent table, sir.
Oh, this was correct. Then 300.
Okay.
Oh, okay. Sorry. 1 minute.
Uh-huh.
1 minute.
अभी आएगा.
Okay. I think you all know this concept, right? Okay. So they tell me what is happening here.
Firstly, it is selecting the distinct
The
salary.
subquery will pick in the 300 record, where salary in 100, 200, 300. 300 is there, some person.
Yes.
And 300 is also there in department table equal to. That's it only, or anything else. What is the use of any in this query?
Okay. Then who wants to? Okay, Akshay was telling something. Then yeah, Akshay, tell me.
So I was simply saying the same thing that firstly this subquery will run and fetch the distinct salary, which is 300 and which should be equal to the salary which is present in the department.
Correct. Yeah. So here, no, actually, first of all, try to understand what is use of this any. Okay, any condition. This any condition is telling that in this inner query. Okay, in this query, when you are executing this query, okay, and out of this, if any condition is getting matched, I'm not bothered about all the conditions. Even if a single condition is getting matched, fetch me the data matching that condition. So that is what when you're written select distinct salary from person, you're written 100, 200, and 300, but you are getting only 300 here. This is the only one which is getting matched. So now the outer query is searching that this 300 is present in this table or not. So that is why it is giving you this 3C 300. Not clear. See, when I'm running this inner query, let me run this inner query first of all. What this inner query is giving me the output 300.
Correct.
Okay. Now the outer query will check the outer query. This query will check that do I have this salary 300? So in department do you have salary 300? So yeah, this is 300.
Yes.
So it is giving you this 300 as an output when I will run this entire query. Okay. Now 1 minute. Hold on. Now that is why this 300 is coming. Now when I have used this greater, what was happening? First of all, this inner query will run. So when this query will run, you will get the output as 300.
300.
Correct?
Yes. Correct.
300. Now you are telling that in department, do you have any salary which is greater than 300?
No.
So in department, there is no salary which is greater than 300. That is that when you are executing this, no result is
No data
coming here. No data form. Shivanshu, is it clear? So as per the dictionary meaning of any, it means it is telling that first of all run this inner query. Okay, and what's the output you are getting? Whatever output you are getting, for that output, okay, what all output you are getting, for that output, check that in the outer query what all conditions are getting matched. So tell me, show me those conditions only. Show me the condition, show me the related to those conditions only. That is why this
sir,
is
I have one
any.
question.
Yeah.
So suppose we don't use any, then in the general scenario also we use the subquery and things.
Correct. In the general scenario, you are correct that I can use this one. Let me show you this. Select a star from department. Question is that I can use this as well.
Yeah.
Right. I will tell you that where this will be, any will be useful. Just a minute. So I can use this query as well. This is also doing the same task. Correct. But sometime what happened here, we have taken the same column salary. Correct. Sometimes this is entirely different condition. The column name is entirely different. Okay. Suppose this is like commitment percentage, something like that. Okay. And you are comparing the two tables data. So in that case, this will be useful. Okay, you are giving some conditions in this that okay, this are the conditions, check which is getting matched here, or you can use greater than. Again, like greater you cannot use here, no, you can use in, but you cannot use greater here. Okay, so in those conditions this will be useful when you are comparing two tables data, that okay, in this table please check if the data of that particular table that is the condition is getting matched or not.
Got it.
Okay.
Yep.
And then similarly, you have the condition of all. Suppose if I will write here, all. And I'm using the equal to. Suppose take the simple example of equal to, and I'm running this. Commitment. Oh, I've used commitment here. No? Salary. You got 300, correct?
Correct.
Now suppose in person you have 300, 400, 500. 1 minute. It is 300. It's 400. This is 500. First of all, try to understand this. When I will run the inner query, what's the output?
300, 400, 500.
500.
300, 400, 500. Okay.
Yeah.
So
Yes.
now try to understand this query in this way. So now this query will be changed in this format. 300, 400, 500.
Okay.
So now you are telling that if the data in this department table, data means the salary, if the salary in this department table, okay, is meeting this condition, then only fetch me the data. Otherwise, please don't fetch me the data. I want all the conditions should be matched. Then only fetch me the data form. Sorry?
You want 300, 400, 500 in department table.
This
Only
all
400 is
must
there.
be present here. So 300 is
Okay.
present, but 400 or 500 is not present.
Not present.
So we are telling that no, I don't want this data. It is like you are trying to apply. One minute. You are trying to apply for +2 in a particular college. Okay, and they have given the condition that in physics 90% should be there, in chemistry 90% should be there, in math 90% should be there. Then only you will get admission. All the conditions must be fulfilled. It is like that only. If all the conditions are fulfilled, then I will give you the data. Otherwise, I will not give you the data. Okay. Or you can 1 minute. Hold on. Or else if I can use greater than as well. Okay. If I use greater than, it means I am telling that all the salary in this department must be greater than 300, 400, 500. No data form because none of the salary here is greater than 300, 400, 500. So all means all the conditions, if it is getting fulfilled, then only it will give you the data. Any is little bit flexible. It is telling that any one condition is fulfilled, I will give you. Suppose in +2, okay, you are applying in a good college, Delhi college, some good college, and they're telling that okay, in physics you should get 90%, chemistry 90%, maths 90%, you will get admission. Okay, then they have changed the condition that okay, out of this 3, if in any subject you are getting 90%, you will get admission. So this is which condition? Any or all? Any, because you are telling that any condition fulfilled, I will give you the admission. But if they're telling that no, physics 90, chemistry 90, maths 90, all must be 90, then only we will give you admission. Then you have to use this all condition.
It's more of a and or condition, sir.
and or you can think in that perspective. Okay,
I'm just saying in general.
Correct. In general, it seems to be like that only. Yeah, seems to be like that.
Right.
Yeah, Shivanshu, you were asking some question.
My question was same, like instead of all, if we are using 300 and 400 and 500.
This is one and the same. But see, sometime in this you will be having many other conditions as well. Okay, suppose in this person table you have 1000 salary. Okay, so you can use this condition. You don't have to write this. So it means you want that all the salary must match. Okay, so in that, if you think that you will use and for all the 1000 salaries, that will become very big query. Okay, so you can this like this as well. So you're telling that all the salaries which is present in person table, if the salary in this table should be greater than that, then I will fetch you the data. So it is like it can cater to broader data size as well.
Okay.
Did you guys understood, or you are getting confused with this and or no? Clear. So this is like you can compare with a means what this means like broad, the bandwidth is more here. Okay, and suppose it's the same condition, the same query, if you have to use and condition, and this person table you have 1000 employee salaries, so how many and conditions you have to write? Okay, that will become very tedious job. So this is like simple evidence condition. But I think that okay, all. So it means the salary in this person table. Okay, so first of all, fetch all the salary. Then if the salary in this department is greater than all those salary, then fetch the data, otherwise leave it. Otherwise, I don't want. Correct?
Correct.
So that is the use of this.
More
any and all.
flexible than and.
Yeah. This will give you more flexibility. And that's the thing.
Correct.
Any other question, guys? But this is used very rarely. From my experience, others maybe they would have used this, but as far as my experience is concerned, I think very hardly I use this keywords. But you should know. You never know that what questions you will get in interview or sometime which project these scenarios will come. You should know those things. Okay, perfect. So this was any and all minus we have covered. And then what else? Any all. Have I covered like operator? Like I have not covered, no?
No.
Like I have not covered. Okay. I will cover that now. Actually, I have to arrange this content. Actually, I've created this one. This makes my job easy. I don't have to create every time and all those things. Sandeep, why you're not posting questions on LinkedIn? Yeah, you got some good command on SQL now. Why?
I don't find any questions. I always focusing on how to
Others
solve
question.
that question.
Others
Others
question. Okay. Well, that's a good channel. If you post, start with simple questions. So you know you will means that's a good way to learn actually. Whenever I'm teaching you guys, know I'm learning many new things because before this I'm preparing some data, some questions. No, that's a good way to learn actually. Perfect. So we will start with like operator now. So select a star from the student. So this is the data. Okay, this is the data. In my current batch, I have given one question yesterday on like operator only. Okay, so now suppose the question is select distinct student name. I'm writing something. You guys will tell me what I'm doing here. Okay. I will not teach you. You will understand automatically. Okay. Sandeep will not answer this. Others we can try. Okay. Tell me what is happening here in this output. Imran will tell. Imran, what is happening here in this query. Imran, what is happening here in this query?
Could I tell you?
Hello?
Could I tell you?
Imran is on mute, I think. Who wants to go then? Akshay, Shivanshu will tell me what is happening here in this
You
query.
want to go? Shivanshu.
Shivanshu, tell me, what is happening here?
If we want the student name, first letter is A, then we will be writing A percentage. If we want
Perfect.
the last word, then we will be writing percentage A.
Correct. So here I am telling that I want all the student name whose first character is A. That is why you can see all the name with first character A is coming up here. Correct? Simple, no? Okay. Yeah. Similarly, if you want all the name with first character S, okay, so just write S here. Okay, let me run this. Okay, all the name with first character S is coming here. But what if I will write this S in lowercase? What will happen then?
It will not fetch.
No data found because SQL is case sensitive with data. No data found, right? Okay. This like is known as a wildcard operator because this is like a wild search is doing. Okay. Now after this. Okay, what this will do?
Swati will come.
See, distinct student name, Shruti and Swati. This two name is coming. Why? Because their name ends with lowercase I. Correct?
Yes.
So here it means that end with I. See, I have written percentage first and then I have written I at the last. So it means end with I. Okay. So if I'm writing, so earlier I've written the character first, then percentage. But here I've written percentage first and then character. So it means that name should end with I. Okay. Hope this is clear.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Now tell me what will happen with this. I'm running this. What will happen?
Yeah, whatever a letter
Aman
consists
will
of.
come. Aman.
So
All
I'm
run,
telling
yeah.
that I'm not bothered what is in the beginning, what is at the end. I'm just bothered A should come in between somewhere. So you see, Aman, A is there. A is present in Neha as well. So A is in Rakesh, Priyanka, Swati, right? So these are the three flavors you can do. You can use character first, then percentage, percentage first, then character. You can write character. In between A means you are not bothered wherever it is, but A should be present in the name. Okay. So this is known as wildcard like operator. Any question on this, guys?
Yes, I have question.
Yeah, sure.
Let's suppose you have written Mukesh Kumar, okay,
Mukesh Kumar,
and you have written Suresh Khanna. So
Mhm.
now I want the name where their name is after space.
Name is after space. For that, I will teach you INSTR function, instinct function. That will come.
Okay,
I think that is an agenda.
okay,
Have I mentioned? Yeah, this one. I will teach you this.
okay,
Okay.
got it.
One of my LinkedIn question was based on this only.
Yes,
Maybe
I was,
Sandeep has
yes.
noticed as
That's
sorting
why
that
that's
country
why
name.
that's why I asked you, na, the
Uh,
country name space.
Uh,
Okay.
and I think Sandeep, you have asked no that how to sort the country name based on the spaces. If the more space is there, that should come top, right? So if you have noticed, I have replied to that. That was also good scenario.
Yeah, yeah, got, yeah, I've seen it.
Yeah. Okay. So this is also done. Now, okay. Now leave it here. We will continue tomorrow. Okay. I think it is difficult to finish by this week. I need one more week. Okay, if you
No
guys are
problem.
ready, then it's fine.
Yeah, yeah.
But this is very good interactive session. I like this kind of session. I'm not bothered how much time it is taking. That's good. But okay. Any feedback, guys? Who wants to go first?
Yeah, today I learned new concept, any and all.
Any and all new things Sandeep has
Yeah,
learned today.
yeah,
Very good.
any
Okay.
and more.
Okay. Then any other feedback? Akshay, I want your feedback.
So it was
What is
again
that?
interactive section and I
Okay.
liked it. Yeah. Yes.
Okay, that's good. Fine. Anyone else? Shivanshu?
No.
Shivanshu, no feedback. Okay. Fine. Imran, anything from you? Imran is on mute, I think, today. Okay, fine. Take care, guys. I will share all these recordings and assignments I will share today. We will connect tomorrow.
So,
At the same.
sir, one more thing. You will share 2 assignment for the 23rd
Yeah,
and
yeah,
6th,
yeah.
right?
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. I will share that.
Fine.
I'm sharing assignments on other batch as well. If you're interested, I will share those assignments as well. You can try. That will be good if you have more questions
Yes.
to practice. Okay.
Sir,
Yeah,
I
yeah,
have one
please.
question. Can you please send the questions that you have asked in the hacker rank so that we can solve? We can try to solve.
I think I have shared that. Okay, I will share it. No problem. I will forward you those questions. Fine, perfect.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, guys. Thank you. Take care. Bye.
Thank you. Bye.